So guys, as you can see right now, the price of Bitcoin is not getting a support from this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level which we talked on my yesterday's video. I gave you a very nice example that in the past Bitcoin price action, every time when we found the support from this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level and the lower line of this ascending channel, we always saw a very impulsive move like this here. Another example is here, but now as you can see, the price here is below this 52,000 and it's hovering between this 51 to 52,000 price level. So now, is this going to be an actual trend reversal? Because if you monitor this price movement, you can see the next possible support what we have according to this Fibonacci retracement is this golden pocket level, and this golden pocket level is around 50,000 price level. So now I would say this 50,000 is our last line of support, guys, because if this 50 is going to break, things could look very ugly for Bitcoin. Because right now, if you look at this price structure, you can see the price here has failed to find support at this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level and also the lower line of this ascending channel. So now there is a clear sign of weakness, right? The price was unable to find support at this 52,000. And look at this to the downside. If you also monitor this RSI line, the RSI is below 50 level, and whenever this RSI line is below 50 level, it usually indicates the trend here could see a downward movement. And not only this RSI but also this bearish MACD cross. You can see the MACD here is also flashing a bearish scenario. So now we have to be very careful, because if the 50,000 support is not going to hold the price of Bitcoin could look very ugly. And what I'm also going to do here is I'm going to add this price structure here, this 50 line, and why this 50,000 line must hold the price, otherwise the thing could look very ugly. Let me show you with this simple example here, because right now if we look at this in a daily time frame, just by simply using this moving averages, this exponential moving average, this green line here is the 21 exponential moving average, right? And the red line here is the 50 exponential moving average. Right now, since the price has already got a rejection from this green line, right, the only support which we have here was this golden pocket level of this 0.618, which is going to be around 50,000, and also the red line here, right? This red line is the 50 exponential moving average, because in the past Bitcoin price action, when we had this pullback, this 50 exponential moving average acted as a very strong support, and after that price headed in an upper direction. So if this 50 line, right, 50 exponential moving average is also going to hold the price, that is giving us a hope, right? A hope that we could see another bounce here in this manner. But if this 50 exponential is also going to reject, where we could be possibly heading, for that what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to add the CPR indicator, because if you monitor this price movement using this CPR indicator, guys, you will see. Let me show you one by one here, because right now, as you can see, the price of Bitcoin got a rejection from this monthly R1 line. We were unable to close above this monthly R1 line, which was around 58,000. And now where we could be getting gravitated, guys, according to the CPR, this line, this purple line is where we could be getting gravitated. So in this case, if this is going to happen, right, if the 50 exponential moving average is not going to hold the price around 50,000 level, then we could be seeing a pullback, and this pullback could actually lead us to around the monthly CPI level for this March month. In this case, this monthly CPI is around 45,300 price level. So this could look very ugly. I'm not saying the price has to come, but if we are unable to find support at this 50 exponential moving average, then we should also be prepared for a very bearish scenario that could also push the price around 45,000 price level. So this here is what I see right now looking at the price structure in a daily time frame. And now guys, now let's also look at this in a smaller time frame. Guys, before I switch into another chart, I would really appreciate if you could just take 2 seconds of your time and smash the like button, and for those individuals watching this video for the first time, definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell. And also let me make you aware that Bybit right now is giving around $200 bonus to those individuals who sign up using my ref link down below. This is only for our subscribers. So if you want to take advantage of some bonuses and trade with free money, then definitely check this out. So guys, let's switch the chart, because in a 4-hour time frame you can see very clearly the price here is already around this 50,000 price level. Right now you can see we are seeing some pullback, but if you look at this here using this Fibonacci extension level, right now guys, this scenario is also flashing us that hey, Bitcoin could be heading towards this very important line, and this very important line is around this 50,000 price level, because this here, as you can see, this is the 0.236 Fibonacci support line. So this line along with the previous example, this 50 exponential moving average, which is also exactly around this 50,000, and also in a daily time frame, this pullback here is around 0.618 Fibonacci golden pocket level, and that's also around 50,000. So now we know our final support at this current stage does looks like it's going to be 50,000, and if we are going to fail, right, if we are going to fail to find support, then we should be also looking around this monthly CPI line, this purple line for this March month, and this March line is going to be around 45,000 price level. So this 45,000 could be on the line if 50,000 price level is not going to hold anymore, because you can see here, guys, yesterday I did show you a very interesting scenario with this descending broadening wedge that was playing out, but price was unable to break above it. 57,000 acted as a resistance, and now we are witnessing this pullback. We had a similar scenario here, right? Another descending broadening wedge type of scenario, but price was unable to break here in an upward direction. So these are both fail descending broadening wedge scenario, but now we are showing some weakness because the RSI line is below 50 level. That's also showing some weakness, and also this MACD is flashing a bearish crossover. So this here, and altogether, if you look at these indicators, if you look at this price structure right now, the price of Bitcoin does looks very weak, guys. So the 50,000 support must be held. If we are going to hold this 50,000, again 54,000 and this 57,000 would be on the line as a next possible upward target level. But if this is going to fail, the price could be heading towards this 45,000 price level, towards this monthly CPI line. So this is what I see looking at the current Bitcoin price action, guys. So if you enjoyed my work, if this video was helpful enough, then hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.